Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels. And this is the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI-Version. We got it in the first color here, number 124 of 250 for 2021. HWJ Import Series number 1 out of 10. And we got it in a nice dark metal flake blue color. I opened up a dark metal flake gray color as well on the channel. And that was actually the newest version. This is the older version, one of the older ones. This casting first came out in 2020, so there are a couple variations before these. F-Case, GTB01, and Hot Wheels J Imports is a dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles. You can read some of that if you'd like. This is made in Malaysia. All new Hot Wheels are made in Malaysia. And a terrible open there. I just wanted to get this one loose. Oh, wow. That color is beautiful. Wouldn't you agree? Well, once I give you a better look at it, yeah, I like that. I like that dark metal flake blue. And it's got gold wheels. Take a look at that right there. Kind of reminds me of that Honda Prelude that I still don't have yet for some reason. I haven't even seen that Honda Prelude, but painted details in the back and white logo, a white license plate. Look at that thick metal flake there. Just a nice casting. This is a sharp casting. Driving is on the opposite side of America, which is the right side, of course. I knew that totally. Can see the front there. Pretty cool. I love the headlights on these Subarus. I love all the details in the front. And hood scoop there. Black interior. Just a nice casting. Gray plastic base made in Malaysia. 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI-Version. Very long name for a car. But hey, what are you going to do? If you want to specify it, then specify it. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one.